I'm excited to introduce the Massey Ferguson 1800 Compact Series tractors. These tractors are perfect for your smaller farm or lifestyle block. The Massey Ferguson 1800 Series Compact tractors have two options. We have an Economy Series and a Premium Series. Both of these series have 2 horsepower options. We have a 35 horsepower offering and a 40 horsepower offering. The 1800 series compact tractors from Massey Ferguson is ideal for property sizes up to around 50 acres. The E series is our economy series within our compact tractor range. Both of these models are powered by a 3-cylinder Oakley fuel-efficient diesel engine. The 1800E series comes with the option with or without loader. With loader, the loader itself is 4-in-1 ready, so we can attach a 4-in-1 bucket if necessary or a standard bucket if required. The loader itself is perfect for moving small square bales, moving gravel and general loader work, and for feeding out livestock. With the 1800E series, we have easy access to our daily maintenance tasks. So on the left-hand side here, I have access to my engine oil level dipstick, so I can check the dipstick and ensure we have the correct amount of engine oil in the engine at the time. If I come around the front, I can open up the bonnet. So from the front, I have access to my engine air filter and air cleaner and to the radiators, so I can clean the radiators from dust and debris if necessary. Then on the right hand side, I have my engine oil filler, so I can top up engine oil if necessary. I have access to my oil filter, so for serviceability, and I also have access to my fuel filter on the right hand side as well. The 1800E series has a variety of wheel and tyre options available. For tyres, we have an option of agricultural, industrial or turf options available. On all 1800 and 2800 series tractors, we have very convenient filling. So we can fuel the tractor at the same level as the platform. So very accessible, and we don't have to lift fuel tanks any higher up towards the bonnet. We can simply refuel from the same level as the platform. As I sit in the 1800E series non-cab machine, everything I need to operate the machine is within my reach. From the front, we have our analog display, so very simple to read and to use, and includes on the left a digital fuel indicator, so I can see how much fuel I have left in my machine. On the right hand side, I have a mechanical engine hand throttle, so I can set the engine speed via the hand throttle for whatever tasks I'm carrying out, for what speed I want to keep as I go forward. On the right hand side on the floor, I have my rocker pedal, so I can simply move the pedal forward to go in the forward direction or backward to go in the reverse direction. On the right hand side, I also have my brake, so this is a brake I use to brake the wheels, and also I can use it to set my parking brake. So I simply just push my foot on the pedal, move the orange lever into the lock position, and then I can release. On the left hand side, I have my clutch pedal. So the clutch pedal I use to engage and disengage the PTO. And I also have the yellow lever here. It's a PTO selection lever. So we have it in neutral currently. I can move into gear and select 540 RPM speed at the rear PTO. The seat I'm sat on is a mechanically sprung seat. To my left hand side, we have the transmission controls. So the 1800E series tractor have a free range hydrostatic transmission. So I can choose, for example, rabbit or the fastest range. I can set to snail range, or I can set to tortoise range. So I have 3 different ranges for the application I need. On the left, here also have my forward drive operation. So using this orange lever, I can pull up to disengage forward drive or push down to engage forward drive. On the right hand side, I have my hydraulic controls. So the grey lever here is my linkage arm position. So I can set the linkage position to either be at the top at its maximum height, or at the lowest at its minimum height, or I can set anywhere in between depending on the implement and application. For the 1800E series tractors, we also have the option for 2 remote valves. So for implements that require more hydraulic functionality, I can choose to have 2 additional remote levers based here on the right hand side. The 1800E series tractors have a collapsible ROPS feature. So if I'm looking to access an area of low height, I can remove the pin, unscrew the turnbuckle for both sides, and I can fold the ROPS down. So particularly handy if I'm looking to access an area of low roofs, such as garages, small barns, etc. The 1800E series tractors come with our 3-point linkage and drawbar options. So the 3-point linkage we can use to attach to our implements, and we can use the drawbar option to pull our trailed implements, such as spot sprayers, for example. At the rear of the tractor, we can have 2 additional rear remote valves. So this is used for implements that require extra hydraulic functions. We have this available as an option. The rear PTO has 540 RPM as standard, which is controlled mechanically by the lever on the floor on the platform. If you'd like to know more about the Massey Ferguson 1800 series compact tractors, then visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer or head over to the website.
Call Greg Turpen of Oakley Equipment in Florence, Alabama at 256-554-4601.